Hi, this is Kurt at Traverse Tool Company. Today we're going to talk about something that you should put on your calendar. It's a great idea to put a reminder on your calendar so that every 2 months you go through and clean your shop. We're going to take this time to straighten out some things. We're going to clean some tools that might have gotten put away a little bit dirty. Maybe we were in a hurry, didn't clean them as good as they should have been. We can return misplaced tools to their correct location. This is a great time to find those tools that you don't use very commonly and you're always wondering where you put them. Everyone gets distracted and leaves tools out and around the shop now and then. This is the perfect time to put them all away where they belong. Going through these steps is going to help you to maintain an efficient shop because you're not going to spend all day looking for a tool that you should have known where it was. This is also a great time to check the coolant in your machines and check the coolant level and concentration. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tips and tricks. The button's right down here.